Do you need help?
Yes, Mommy. This is amazing battery.
Mommy will open.
Yes.
It comes with a battery and a screwdriver.
Open it. Ano po? Open. Open. Wow! So many, Mommy.
There's a manual.
Let's make a current house. I'm so excited, Mommy.
Use your hands.
Ew. So many.
Here you go. Ito yung gear.
Thank you.
Ayan po yung para umandar.
Mommy, open that.
Open the screw. Oh wait, let's look at the instructions first.
I want to build a car, Mommy.
Okay.
Paano yan?
Later.
Paano po upo ito? Paano po ito po? Hindi kaya ko po uwi.
You need help?
Upo po.
Uy, upo niya kami.
New toy.
Ako po, Mommy.
Ito yung gear para umandar mamaya yung car natin na gagawin.
Hindi kaya ko po. Hindi kaya ko po. Ako naman. Paano po ito po?
You want to do this?
Paano po?
It's quite hard. How do I do this? Train engine. Mommy will try to build this.
Lagi. There's two purples. Okay. That's
Malapit na.
ito. Hey guys, may bagong toy ka. Kami bagong toy.
Pinalitan natin kasi kulang po ng gears yung unang dineliver sa atin. Wala yung mga kulay black. Yan yung pang-connect. Okay nyo show kung paano siya gumagana?
Okay po. Let's do so. Ito mo. Tingnan mo.
Wow!
Go! Go, Crow! Go, Kawawaw! Kawawaw! Ow!
Ito pati. Wow! Maganda ba? yung record. Oh,
Thank you po, Mami. Ang ganda po dito. Gawa naman tayo.
electro gear
Mami.
box set. Ano?
Yan, yung bahay. Oh, ikaw. Wala po ikaw. Mami, forget that. Ano po ito?
Lever yan.
Forget my paper.
Oh, patingin nga.
Tima. Mami, hindi kaya ko ito Mami, ayoko na lang po ito. Bye-bye, guys. Clean up muna ako.
Subscribe and tap the bell and explore where play meets purpose at Tinker Toys.